Hello guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to transfer money from Tonkeeper to GCash. Now, Tonkeeper to GCash is not as easy as transferring stuff from Tonkeeper to another wallet. You need an extra step, which is you need to send USDT, Toncoin, whatever it is, to a site that has fiat. So meaning Binance, Coins.ph, Bybit, those types of websites. And then from there, you need to pretty much just, send it to your GCash account or your bank account, whatever. So how do you do that? Of course, you need to be having, something on your Tonkeeper wallet. And you need, just like anything else, you need the wallet address of whatever it is that you're using, Binance, Coins.ph, or Bybit, those types of websites. So again, all you need to do is just tap in send, right? And then again, you're going to be brought to this page, right? But what you need to do in this, and for this example, we are going to use, okay, it's not here. We are going to use Coins.ph as an example because that's what we have installed right now. So here in Coins.ph, what you need to do is to get your wallet is to get no, not that. So go home, go to your portfolio, and under portfolio, what you want to do is deposit, right? So tap on deposit, and a small pop-up will appear: cash in or receive crypto. Of course, you want to receive crypto because that's what you want to do. So it's going to be TON or USDT. So tap on that. And here, a variety of crypto will be appearing. So if it's TON, you go search for TON, right? And tap that. Select network. And this is going to be your TON wallet's address. So just copy that. Of course, it's blurred, privacy reasons. And then you go back to your Tonkeeper app. And let's wait for it to load again because we closed it. And then we just click send, paste here, and then add a comment, and then you send your TON from Tonkeeper to your Coins.ph. And once you've done that, let's go back to Coins.ph. Once you've done this, what you want to do next is withdraw. So tap on withdraw, click on cash out, because here you're going to sell first, right? You're going to sell. You're going to sell your TON here. Very straightforward. We don't need to do that. And after that, click on withdraw. So what you want to do is tap on cash out. And on cash out, you're going to see here top picks. So you just need to tap on GCash. It's the very first option, like so. And you just need to enter the amount and choose between InstaPay and PesoNet. And then click next, and you're going to be good to go. So that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell. I'll see you on the next video.